In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print an Adobe Express web page. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get a clean, professional printout of your Adobe Express page using your web browser's built-in tools. First, open your Adobe Express web page in a browser. Any modern browser like Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Firefox will work. Make sure you're looking at the version of the page you want to print, with your latest updates visible. If you've been editing, give the page a moment to refresh so recent changes appear. Next, click the Share button on your Adobe Express page. Here, copy the page link or confirm that the page is published. This matters because the published view displays your content without the editing interface, which usually prints much cleaner. If you copy the link, you can paste it into a new tab to load that published view and double-check that everything looks right before printing. Now open the print dialog. On Windows, press Ctrl+P. On a Mac, press Command+P. You should see a preview of your page along with print settings. Take a moment to scan through the preview. If it shows multiple pages, scroll to see where page breaks occur and whether any content is cut off. Choose your printer from the list, or select a virtual option like Save as PDF if you need a digital copy first. Then set the page orientation. If your design is wide or has a landscape layout, choose Landscape. For a vertical design, Portrait is usually best. Watch how the preview updates as you switch. You want your content centered and readable with minimal cropping. Adjust scaling next. If parts of your design are getting cut off, try Fit to Page or reduce the scale slightly, like 90 or 95%, until everything fits neatly. If the text looks too small, increase the scale or switch orientation. You can also adjust margins if your browser offers that option. When printing a design with full bleed visuals, margins set to None can help maximize coverage. If your page uses background colors, images, or custom graphics, look for a setting like Print Backgrounds or Background Graphics and enable it so your design prints as intended. Finally, choose color or black and white, and select the page range if you only need certain sections. Once your preview looks great and your printer is selected, go ahead and print. That's it. You've printed your Adobe Express web page using the browser's print tools with the right orientation and scaling for a polished result.